Welcome back, Lemons, to Storm Drain, series. I think this is part 24. Well, prep vid. Part 24 prep vid. So, I made a mini clip, that I'm gonna show you guys. Here we go. Welcome back, Lemons. This is the mini clip, video for the Storm Drain. So if you guys saw in parts 21, 22, and 23, when we stuck it up the camera in through the ladders, through the round lid thing, we saw some buildings, like we saw the red barn, we saw the side of like a building, we saw lots of stuff. So Noah texted me screenshots of Google Earth, or Google Maps, whatever you want to call it. So here, let me show. So this picture here, so where it says park, right here, that's where we usually park, like our van, to go when we do this, and we go along that path there. Why does it keep zooming out? So, anyway, so this is Nixon Park. There's the stage, there's the tennis courts, there's the parking lot, there's like the grass area, the playground is like about right there. Sorry, I wasn't recording. About right there. There's the stage, parking lot, tennis courts, all that stuff. So that circle there is point A, and the arrow points in the direction of the road, because it's parallel to the train tracks. Glare. That's why Noah thought he saw he thought he saw the train track, like when we stuck it up through the lid. So, and then if you go to this, then it continues that way, and there is the red, the barn, the thing that we thought was a barn. So today we're gonna be actually a barn, walking alongside this road instead of going under it into the storm drain. We might do a little bit of going in the storm drain, but I think it's mostly gonna be. So guys, if you noticed, it literally goes to Zion Street. Just a thought worth noting. These lids under, and to find INS3, where that is above ground and where it goes to. We still haven't found INS1 above ground. I think we need, or an INS2. We need to do that. Also, we might be going back to the storm drain just to find out exactly how many G paths there are. And G paths meaning basically any of those like tiny branch out paths out of path G. Which is pretty much the majority of the thing. Of the storm drain? Because we recorded them all, and it was around like 9 of them or so, but we can't be sure because we kind of lost track. And I mean, you never know, there could be one we missed, or a few of them. So basically, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're just going to be going in, we're going to be going around, and, we're going to be going alongside, we're going to be walking right next to the street and just trying to see if we can find INS 2 or 3, maybe even 1 above ground, or the ladders. So, yeah, this was the mini clip. Okay. So basically what that meant was, I was just pretty much explaining what we were going to do today for pretty much the majority of it. So, anyways, I have this, well, this is pretty much useless. So is this. Well, anyways, so this is the map. This is the first, page of the map. And then this is the second page. We have INS1, INS2. It connects, that way. And I have an infinity symbol right next to on path G because that marks that that path G pretty much takes the majority of the entire storm drain. And so today we're going to be mapping past that and mapping however many G paths or outskirts of path G that there are, and what direction they go to. And I have a theory that there might be another storm drain parallel to this our storm drain, or not ours, but the one we were exploring for the whole series so far, the whole franchise. Anyways, so because the one, when you look through some of the G paths, you could see there was like more stuff coming off of there. I'm spitting everywhere. Hold on. Anyway, so yeah, so there's going to be more, and you could see that there's more intersections also. So today we're going to be bringing skateboards and stuff going into there, and hopefully try to get some of that on camera footage, and seeing what, if there really is another storm drain that it leads to, because I think it might go to an intersection, like more intersections, because some of them, even if you look, there could be, like, sometimes there were another pipe, like there was a room that it broke out into another intersection, and then it even went another pipe in that same direction, more of the same direction in the outskirt of path G. And in part 21, 22, and 23, I don't think we counted this one. There's an outskirt of in path Echo, which we had no idea. I mean, we knew about it. That's why we mapped it there. But we completely. It looks like we completely forgot about it in the recent parts, in the last 3 parts that we did of the series. So so I guess we'll have to count that. Maybe that leads to. Also the same thing. Maybe they could all connect into one. You never know. Maybe they all connect to the path C, the one with the nails coming out of it. So yeah, Lemons. This was the prep video for part 24. This will be going up before the actual part 24. So, yeah, this was just basically a recap, or, like, extra information that, I think you guys would need to know to follow along, what we're gonna be talking about, while we're getting some of this stuff done. So, yeah, see you Lemons in part 24.